want to express gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We want thanks for English teacher. Parents gave support to we. And then the last, someone support to we. So this project can be finished fast.
My name is Nurhoda Tauhu. I'm the leader in this team. My job is narrator.
Hello guys, my name is Rihadat Syarasat. I am the member and my job is cooking with Zuhra.
Hello guys, my name is Zuhra. I am the member and my job is cooking with Rihadat Syarasat.
Hi guys, my name is Masasam Surya. I am the member and my job is editing.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Wayat Prayata. I am the member and my job is cameraman.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Atan Zakir Mustamin. I am the member and my job is buying and preparing tools and material. Thank you.
We want cooking aglio, olio chicken and king mango pie. Aglio olio chicken. Ingredient: 250 grams spaghetti, 150 grams chicken, 3 red chilies, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 6 minced garlic, onion, cheese, salt leaves, bolognese sauce, 250 milliliter water, 1/4 flavoring, butter, next tool, pan, teflon, knife, spatula, cutting board, container, spoon, plate, stove, prepare the pan and boil the water. Until it boils the net spaghetti. While waiting for the spaghetti to be boiled, and chop garlic, onion, chili, and salt leaves. Prepare teflon and add nog butter. Then add the garlic and onion chilies. After that, add red chili. Then add 200 grams of chicken and 1/4 ground pepper. Next, 200 grams of spaghetti. Then add flavoring and mix well. Next, add soap leaves. And then the last, egg bolognese sauce. Mix well. Finally, the food is ready to be served.
King mango time. Ingredients: 3 mangoes, 3 teaspoons sugar, 250 milliliter water, sufficient ice cubes, whipped cream, small mango chunks. Next, tools: blender, glass, spoon, container, knife. Add the mango in blender. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 250 milliliters of water. Add enough ice cubes. And then blend. Put ice cubes in a glass. And add mango juice. And then add whipped cream. And the last, add mango chunks.
We think this food is easy to find and easy to make, likewise we drink. We think this food and drink for all good people who want to diet. We think this food and drink is unique and the combination is really total.
Thank you very much for your attention.
I wish you have benefit about the material.
So thank you guys.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi